My name's Acidical Portal, and welcome to my next YouTube video. I'm going to be showing you how to create teams in your game. So if you're doing anything like a sword fight game or a Doomspire game or like a capture the flag, whatever it is that you need teams, that will be very helpful to have in your game. So I'm just going to delete these and I'm going to put in some new teams. This is actually my third time recording. So I'm going to put in a thing right here, right? We want to go to this plus sign. And as you can see, there's a thing called team. So it says right here, the team class is used to represent a faction in a team game. The only valid location for a team object under the team service. So this is these are all these options right here. It has these special properties. What we want to do now is we want to go over to the model tab, and in the model tab, you can actually put in a spawn. So because I used blue before, this is color is going to be really blue. That's what it says. I'm going to put this in the team folder just so I know that there's a team. So I'm going to assign this and make this the same color. So whenever you're making a team in a game, you want to make sure that neutral is disabled. So there's going to be these special properties, right? All of this is just like any other parts in the game. You can change its size, reflectancy, material, whatever, right? So, but at the bottom, there's these special properties right here, and it's the teams, right? So what we want to do is first you want to change it to the same color, because when you change the team color to really blue, right? The folder down here recognizes, because it's also really blue, it recognizes to spawn to this spawner. So it knows that this is the blue team. What we want to do now is we want to turn off neutral, because when we turn off neutral, the game will now recognize that there's a specific team that we're creating. So if I go in and play the game, you're going to see, so as you can see right here, there's a blue bar above my character, right? So we don't want this to be called team. We want this to be called something else. And you can name these whatever you want. But for purpose sake, I'm just going to name this blue team. Okay? So this is blue team. And when we go in now, it should be called blue team. So now it says blue team, right? So I'm assuming you want to have more than one team in your game if you have teams to begin with. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another spawn, and I'm going to make this one really red. And we're going to add another team folder into here. So I'm going to name this one red team, and we're going to change the color, remember? So we're going to name this red team, and make sure that neutral is off. So it's off here, and you want to make the team color on this the same. You want to make the spawn team color the same as the folder team color. So there should be now two teams in the game. So if I play the game, there's going to be, yeah, there we go. There's a second team right here. So you may be wondering, how do I switch teams? So that's a good question. So that's actually very simple. So what you need to do is, and by the way, auto-assignable means that when you go in the game will automatically assign you to that specific team. So like, for example, you go in the game and you're immediately put on the the blue team. The next person that joins is automatically put on the red team, right? So pretty much that's what that does. So there's this thing right here when we're putting, if we wanted to change teams, this is called allow team change on touch. So we want to check boxes. We want to make this true. So allow team change on touch, and same with this. So say you're done, like you say, I don't want to be on the red team anymore, right? So if I go, sorry, the blue team. So I go over here and now I'm on the red team. So, and then I can just keep doing this as much as I want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's the very basics of team assigning and how to create teams in your game. I hope my video was useful. I actually recorded this 3 times because this is my third time because I messed up the second time and the first time. So that's about it. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'm always making new stuff. If you dislike the video, dislike it. That's pretty much it. If there's any questions, just comment them down below. And that's about it for today. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.